Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into a super quick fix that could save your summer. How to find and check the AC, compressor fuse and relay on a Ford Focus. That's 2009 through 2021 models. So if your AC suddenly stopped blowing cold, don't panic. Before you take it to a shop or start throwing money at it, let's knock out this easy DIY check first. It's cheap, it's simple, and you can do it with just your hands. Maybe a multimeter if you're feeling fancy. So let's get to work. Alright, first stop inside the cabin. The fuse box is located inside the panel on the steering wheel area. You need to remove the cover by pulling that out to access the fuses. Then pop open your fuse panel and you'll find the fuses. So here is the fuse that you need to check. Check out these two 10 amp fuses right here. Now they aren't technically for the AC compressor, but they power the AC interface and control system, so if these are blown, your AC won't even think about working. Now, let's move to the engine bay fuse box. Here's where the magic happens. First, check this 10 amp fuse. This fuse right here is dedicated to the AC system. If this one's blown, it's game over for your compressor clutch. Next, check this relay right here. That's your AC compressor clutch relay. If your clutch isn't engaging, this little guy might be the culprit. Try gently tapping the relay while the AC is on. If your clutch kicks on, the relay was probably stuck. Want to confirm it? Swap it with a known good relay like your reverse light relay. If your reverse lights work, you know that relay's good. Swap it in here and see if your AC clutch wakes up. In the 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus, you can find the AC fuse in the cabin fuse box. Pop that hood and head over to the driver's side. We're looking at the main fuse box right here. So here are the fuses. The fuse we're hunting is F27. It's a 15 amp blue fuse, and it powers the AC compressor clutch. If it's blown, that clutch won't engage, and no clutch means no cold air. Next up, check the AC relay. That's R11 just below it. Got a multimeter? Great, test it. If not, grab another identical relay from the fuse box, swap them, and see if that fixes your AC. If your AC starts working again, congrats! It was just a relay. Now grab a new one and you're golden. If not, we may be looking at low refrigerant, a leak, or a bad compressor. But always start with the basics. Now, for the MK4, the AC fuse can be found in the engine bay fuse box. It is located between the near side wing and the battery. You can see how you can access the fuses in my other video. So, in this fuse box, you want to check this red fuse. It is a 10 amp Micro 2 fuse that is responsible for the air conditioning clutch. You can spot a blown fuse by looking for a break in the metal strip inside. Ensure you use the correct fuse type when replacing it. Always check the amperage rating. If your power outlet still isn't working after replacing the fuse, double check for a loose wiring or try testing the socket with another device. And that's it. If your AC isn't working, don't just jump to recharging the system. Check your fuses and relays first. It could be a 5-minute fix. If this helped you out, drop a comment, hit like, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY fixes just like this. Stay cool, and I'll catch you in the next one.